Where today it's your boy Savage Diamond here, back with another video. It's like, wait, hold up, I think I messed up, sorry guys. No, you can see on the screen right now. Yeah, I think it worked, guys. I don't know, but yeah, tell me if it did. Oh, well, I'm back here now. Back now. Let me just like get back up. There we go. Now we can freaking savage, bro. Like we're supposed to do. Okay, guys. Why did it say I have an M9, which I don't? I have a hammer and a knife. But who cares, right? Who cares? And I'm the only one freaking playing. No, wait. Actually, 2 people left. So that's boring because I think it's because they gotta go to school tomorrow. So yeah, guys, you guys wanna be also not for in them, but yeah, and comment down below your Roblox username, and then I'll add you as a friend if I see that, and playing with me in the game. But yeah, hopefully you guys have a good day at school tomorrow, and yeah guys, as always, stay diamond, and I'll see you guys in the next. Now escape the prison, and I think I'm gonna leave it off right here because people only left, and there's only like 2 people playing with me. The shout out goes to them. Yeah guys, please like and subscribe. I do a lot. I put a lot of support in all my videos. I do a lot. I forgot. Please like and subscribe. That actually helps me out a lot. And block username, and I'll add you as a friend. At school tomorrow. Have a good day to school tomorrow. As always, stay diamond, and we'll see you on my next video.